Here's how you can make this animation in just 60 seconds. Format the background by changing it to a picture of your choice. Insert a 12:1 table. Scale and align on the slide. Remove the shading and borders. Then add white, left, right, and inner borders to the table. Insert the text. Align the text in the table. Add your activities. Format the rectangles by applying a slide background fill, changing color, reducing the width of the outline, and applying an inner white shadow. Insert your title. Then format by applying slide background fill and removing the outline. Select all timeline activities. Add a fly-in animation. Change the direction. Start the first animation automatically. Start the other animations after the previous one. Increase the duration. Enter the effect options. Then add a bounce end. Follow for more amazing PowerPoint tutorials.